Need a break? Let's take you to Korea for one of the most relaxing scalp treatments you'll ever experience. Here at Amoa 640 Skin Clinic, your journey starts the moment you lie back in a full-body massage chair. Let's walk you through the process. A soothing cleanse removes dirt, oil, and buildup, leaving your scalp feeling fresh and clean, like a deep breath for your head. Next, a calming scalp and neck massage melts away stress, improves blood flow, and releases tension you didn't know you were holding. We start with a gentle hand technique to remove dandruff, flags, and debris. Say goodbye to clogged pores. Then, a high-tech device deep cleans and infuses a nourishing ampoule that strengthens your roots and leaves your scalp purified. A warm rinse followed by another massage helps your scalp breathe again. This step feels like a spa moment you'll want to relive. Red light soothes inflammation, heals, and rejuvenates the scalp, all without any discomfort. It's like a hug for your follicles. Now for the advanced part, Scalp MTS. This non-invasive microneedling therapy opens tiny channels in the scalp, allowing targeted serums to dive deep and work their magic. Think of it like a customized vitamin shot for your scalp. With regular sessions, many notice thicker, healthier hair in just a few months. All of this while lying back in a body massage chair. No stress, no rush, just peace, pampering, and a scalp that finally feels taken care of. Whether you're battling hair loss or just in need of a scalp reset, Scalp MTS and Spa Care at Amoa is a treatment worth making time for. Your hair will thank you.